Tired of those relentless group chat notifications blowing up your phone? Let's dive into how to gracefully ditch an iMessage group chat. First, open the Messages app and select the group chat you want to leave. Then, look at the top of the screen. You should either see the names of the people or a group name. Tap on the group's name or people at the top. This will open up the info screen now. If you're in a group chat with 3 or more people, and the group is using iMessage, you should see a Leave this conversation button at the bottom. Tap it. A confirmation prompt might pop up. Confirm that you want to leave. You're out. If you left successfully, you'll no longer receive messages from that group now. What if there isn't a Leave this conversation option? This usually means someone in the group isn't using iMessage, or the group only has 2 people in it, you and another person. In these situations, you have a few alternatives. You could mute the conversation by going to the info screen and toggling on hide alerts. You'll still receive the messages, but you won't get those annoying notifications. Or you can block the entire conversation, preventing all messages from that group from reaching you. Another option is to communicate with the group to ask them to remove you. Remember, the best approach depends on the specific group and your relationships with the people involved, and that's how you take back control of your iMessage life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.